You might think football is just a game. No, it is a war of pride, of territory, of color, and of rivalry. Let us uncover today the bloodiest rivalry in London. Arsenal versus Tottenham. Today's match between Arsenal and Tottenham is not just about points on the Premier League table. It is the fire of history that has been burning for 100 years. But why did this animosity, this hatred come about? The answer lies in 191-3. Arsenal arrived in North London one day in Tottenham's territory. Their new stadium, Highbury, was just a few miles away from Tottenham. This sparked resentment, anger, betrayal. Tottenham fans said, "You occupied our territory." Arsenal, who were once from South London, came to North London. For the people of Tottenham, this was a loss of their trust, and that was the root of the rivalry. When Arsenal was promoted to the first division in 1919, Tottenham accused them of fixing it. They said Arsenal played tricks. Haram, here the rivalry took on a color, the color of betrayal. The real battle was yet to come. Boss, damage, different territories, different culture, but in the same city. Arsenal calls itself class. Tottenham calls itself the People's Club. Step by step they clash. When these matching happen, it is called the North London Derby. But it is not just a derby, it is a battlefield. This rivalry is not just about the game. It is about the territorial lineage of clubs but also of fans. But there a story that hasn't been told yet. Lesson next when a match turned bloody. Welcome back. Today we'll talk about the turning point where football rivalry went too far. The 1987 League Cup semi-final. Tottenham was leading 2-0, but Arsenal won the third leg with a last-minute goal. Tottenham fans were devastated. Arsenal fans were ecstatic. This match brought the rivalry to the streets. Fans fought in the streets. Boundaries were crossed. Arsenal Wenger's team the in-win symbolized. Tottenham always losing. Arsenal fans taunted Tottenham with pride, celebrating such tottering homage day when Tottenham was mathematically eliminated, but when Tottenham took revenge. The 2010, the arrival of Harry Kane. Tottenham trod mid. Arsenal scored dozens of goals even at the Emirates Stadium. Arsenal fans agree, charging Wenger out the team hell. But this rivalry does not end today when these two teams play. The atmosphere is supercharged. New manager Arteta versus Postecoglou. A new era. This rivalry is not just about the player. It is about the fans in homage. Fire and Suns are divided. One support Arsenal, one support Tottenham. On match day, pubs are filled talks and fists fly. But what does this rivalry teach us? Is it hatred or is it love for football? Because football without rivalry is dull. Arsenal red and white, Tottenham white and blue, two faces, one city. This was the story of the war between Arsenal and Tottenham. 100 years of hatred, the heartbeat of millions of fans, and a story that will always be filled with suspense and drama. If you are also a fan of Arsenal or Tottenham, comment which side are you on, and like and share this video. Take the rivalry to more people. Thank you.